When the biogas compressor operates, the noise of the gas generator roars. The recycled and reused biogas has become an energy resource, as well as created and brought additional income for pig farmers. However, the high consumption of energy and the loud, high-frequency noise will damage the environment and human health. To prevent and solve these two problems, which are energy consumption and noise the ordinary air blowers will cause, the Managing Director, Mr. Peter Chen, and the Factory Manager, Mr. Denko Chen of BLOWTAC, have devoted a long period of time and great efforts. Finally, after referring to the idea of refrigerator compressor, and its advantages of silence and energy saving, they have successfully made the new and silent rotary vane type blower, which can supply air with much lower air loss. That means lower RPM, or lower energy consumption, is enough to supply the same flow at same pressure as the ordinary roots blower and ring blower. Additionally, the best benefit is that the noise level is equivalent to the normal conversation.
In the hospital situation, the requirement of silence is much more important than other occasions. Compared with other kinds of brands or blowers we used before, BLOWTAC's silent rotary vane blower performs much better and quieter, and it is really environmentally friendly to all the people working here. Furthermore, the best advantage is that their blowers are durable and very easy to maintain. Therefore, the operational cost will be reduced to a large extent.
BLOWTAC's rotary vane type blower is completely machined by CNC lathes for high precision for the requirement of silence. The precise machining ensures rotary vanes move very smoothly, maintain an airtight contact with the inner walls of the cylindrical housing to prevent backflow, and minimize flow loss with the effect of lubricating oil that supplies the sealing effect. That's why the rotary vane blowers of BLOWTAC can generate high pressure and high volume airflow at low RPMs. The enhanced efficiency decreases the need for large horsepower, which saves the soaring energy costs greatly. Basically, our blowers can work smoothly, which results in further reduction in noise over time.
BLOWTAC's rotary vane type blower uses a forced feed lubrication system, with a patented low lubricant level sensor installed in the lubricate oil storage tank, that trips the panel buzzer alarm, and cuts power supply to the blower if the lubricant runs out. This enhances the blower durability further. The lubricant recycling system was also improved, to make sure that the reintroduced lubricant is cleaner and safer. This system also saves lubricant, improves operational efficiency to save the oil consumption, and minimizes the energy consumption. BLOWTAC places great emphasis on providing quality customer service, and meeting customer needs as the top and first priority. We have been providing a 5-star integrated service, which includes regular product operation inspection and maintenance, that has led to both new and long-time customer satisfaction, as well as loyalty.
When we first started the biogas power generation system, there had been some problems with our generator parts like regulator valves, exhaust gaskets, and high-voltage coils. BLOWTAC's factory manager, Mr. Denko Chen, helped us to improve these parts and even check the overall structure of the generator's engine. His professional expertise and friendly service helped us to resolve those flaws of the generator, making our system's operations even smoother. We sincerely appreciate the help from BLOWTAC.
BLOWTAC has devoted all its efforts in pursuit of quality, service, and innovation. The products meet the international standard requirement, and have been awarded the CE certification by the EU. Even though it requires additional cost, with more steps and details to the production process. The Managing Director, Mr. Peter Chen, firmly believes that earning customers' trust makes all the efforts worthwhile.
BLOWTAC's products are all environmentally friendly. Our products are not only used in the wastewater treatment and recycling industry, but also remarkably durable with longer duty life. We aim to deliver products with durability and quality to ensure customer satisfaction. It's also in line with our environmentally friendly and protection concept. That's why we have sustained investments in time and resources to continuously improve our products. We want our products to be the best in terms of quality, durability, and user-friendliness. As you can see, our product designs aim to minimize the noise, reduce maintenance procedures, and enhance energy efficiency, driven by green energy.
BLOWTAC has nearly 30 years of experiences in R&D, as well as production regarding environment protection. We hope to do our best for the environment by helping Taiwan's traditional manufacturing sector to meet the world trend standards of ESG and build a sustainable environment for us and our descendants.